So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a clean professional poster in Microsoft Word, including how to add a gradient background and use icons. So yes, you can design awesome posters without Photoshop or Canva. So let's jump right in. Once you open your Microsoft Word, you will go to this section where you have the Microsoft Canvas open like this. Then I'll show you two ways on how you can prepare your poster. So the first one, you can just go to File here, then look for more poster, more templates, click on it like that. Then come here and write there poster, then search. Then you will get a template that is online that you can pick based on what you want to write. Like for example, let's say you want to prepare a poster on let's click on this one. Once you click on it, you go to create. It takes time to open, but once it opens, you can see you have this section where now you can go ahead and edit your poster into your desired way. So you can just take it like that. You can change the company name up here. You can go ahead and also change some information to make sure that it fits your desire. And also this is a membership poster that you're writing to invite your company name. You have the name of the person, the street address, the emails, and all that, and all those information, and the company logo down here. You can go ahead and fill in that information, membership directory. So this one is just very easy. You get the template online, then you go ahead and fill it in, so to make sure that you can edit any information here to make sure it meets your desired poster. Then the other way is to go the manual way, where the first thing you will do is you will go to when you open up Microsoft Word, you go to this section, then go to click to layout like that, then click on this launch button. When you click on it, you go to this section where you have the margins. You have to set the margins and also set the type of the paper you want to use. This one is normal. Then here the margins, you can also check out the layout. Then the paper, is it an A4? So you have to select the A4. So scroll down, go down to A4 like that, click on it. Then check out the margin. You can change the margin. If it's in inches, change in inches and all that. After that, click OK. Then your paper will start appearing like this. Then go to Insert button. Once you go to Insert, go to Shape, click on Shape. Then you can pick this rectangular shape down here, click on it, then come and drag the whole of your paper like that, the whole of your page like that. Then once you here, you right click, then or you can just right click, and then you have this section here, or it's up here where you go to fill, click on fill, then you select gradient. Then on gradient, go and pick any color that you want. For example, this one. Once you click on it, it will look like this. So make sure it fills the whole page. And as well, you can adjust your margin to make sure that the poster you're preparing is well fit in your margin. So we can still, yes, do that. Then once you're here, you can right click. You can also go here and remove the outline. Go to outline, then no outline like that. Then you can go ahead now, start inserting the shapes. You can write the title up here, but you can just pick the shape here if you want this one. Then come and right there, that. So in this shape, you can come and right click on it, go to fill, then no fill like that. You can also go ahead and write here birthday in this shape that we added before. So just right click on it, then you can write something there like birthday, birthday poster, birthday poster, like that. Then you can also go ahead and change the name, give it a black background like that. Then you can also increase the font size the way you want it to look like. If you want it quite bigger, let's say for example font size 20 like that. Then you can also go ahead and click on that, go to shape format here. Then you can remove the outline if you don't want it like that. So you can go ahead again and take another shape, like let's say for example this one. Then come and put it in here. Then write the information down there. You follow the same steps. You can either put the gradient in there, or get a picture that you want to insert in this poster. So let's say for example I want a picture from my desktop. Just go like this, then get a picture from there, then come and insert. Once I click insert, you find out that I can also go to picture format, then go to crop, then go to the section that says fill. I can also edit my picture to make sure it's just the picture only that I want in here, like this. Once I cut that, I can enhance this like that. Then click anywhere, then my picture will look like this. I can also make sure this one is can move it around like that, move it up here. Then I can also go ahead and edit the shape, remove the outline, that no outline. You can continue doing this, adding the shapes and designing your poster so that it looks quite good the way you want it. You can also go to insert, then go to icons if you want to insert some icons. Get some icons from online. Then you can go back and start inserting if you want an icon, like for example, let's say this one. Once you click on it, you can get it from this section, then go back to your poster and put your poster, add the sections here. You can also add other pictures if you want to make sure your poster looks nice. So you will continue designing your poster based on the way you want it to look like until you get your desired shape and design. And that is it. You've just made a professional looking poster all inside Microsoft Word. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching.